Jason, Shelby, I'm giving you guys a pretty good visual of what we're dealing with today. You can see my hair, the wind is blowing. That coupled with all this dry vegetation, just take a look at how dry all this grass is. This is really all over the state. So the wind coupled with this dryness means that a spark can spread to a wildfire just like that. And fire officials are giving the warning this morning. They say that things are so bad that this year alone, they've responded to 231 grass fires. That's the Oklahoma City Fire Department, where normally that number would be about 100 grass fires for the same time period. Sky 5 was actually over 2 of those house fires yesterday in the Chickasha area and another one in Jones. Well, this morning, at least 25 counties, including Oklahoma County, are under a burn ban. That means obviously no outside burning, but also, again, you need to be extra cautious of your own activities to reduce the risk of fire. Firefighters, again, stressing that even a small spark from a chain on a trailer or a cigarette butt can spark a massive fire. For now, reporting live, Zach Rael, KOCO 5 News.